Okay, so today we're going back to those notes that we started the other day, and we're going to be doing the last two sections. So we're going to first look at what tip or gratuity is. So your definition's right here. It says a tip or gratuity is the amount of money that is given to a worker, such as a waitress or a waiter who performs a service for you. So a lot of the times when you go to a restaurant, you leave a tip on the table for the person who served you. That is what we are talking about here. The question says, what is the 15% tip on a purchase of $27.59? So just like before, your percent always goes over 100. And then we need to think of part to total, or is over of. It says, what is the tip on a purchase of $27.59? So our purchase is our total, and the tip that we leave is going to be the part. So we want to know, what part are we going to leave as a tip? So once I have my proportion, I can get my cross products. 100x equals, I need to multiply these. Remember, you do not have to line up your decimals when you're multiplying. Put your placeholder. And then I need to count how many decimal places I have. 1, 2. So I move it over 1, 2. So 413.85. To finish solving for x, I need to divide by 100. Remember, your rule for dividing by 100 is moving the decimal 2 to the left. So we get x equals 4.138. So the question was saying, what is the tip on a purchase of $27.59? So we're talking about money. This is not what money looks like. So money stops in the hundredths place, so I need to round it. My 8 tells my 3 to go up, so the tip that we leave is going to be $4.14 cents. $4.14. Now it says that tip is the amount of money that is given to someone. So when we leave a tip, we're spending more money. So if I was to ask you how much was the total that you spent at the restaurant, you would have to add your total bill plus the amount of tip that you left. So when we add that together, we can see that we spend a total of $31.73. So it's really important on these kinds of questions to read what the question's asking you, if it wants you to just tell them what the tip is, or if it wants you to tell them the total, in which case you would have to add the tip to your total bill. So now we're going to look at tax. It's similar. Tax is a part of the cost of an item that you have to pay in addition, so once again we have to add to the cost. You may be finding just the amount of tax or the total cost of the item, so what I was just saying. So what we are going to do is, first I need you to cross this out because this is incorrect. We are going to make our proportion like normal. Find the 8% sales tax, so percent goes over 100 on $125.50. So we want to know what part is going to be the tax if we spend a total of this much money. So we get our cross products, 100x equals, we have to multiply, so I'm going to go down here to do it. 125.50, you can just put 0.5 times 8 have one decimal place, so I move it over one. So I get 1,004. Then I need to divide both sides by 100. And remember, the rule is move it 2 to the left. So we can see that the amount of tax is going to be $10.04. So if we wanted just to know the tax, we could stop here. But if we want the total cost, we're going to have to add our tax to the total bill. So in this case, I would take our total plus the amount of tax and see that we would have to spend a total of $135.54. So on today's assignment, please be careful and read what it's asking you for. If it's asking you just for the tip or the tax, or if it's asking you for the total amount of the bill.